Welcome to the channel. My name is Dave Schinkel, and I am a programmer by day. Right now, I'm not working because AI has screwed up our profession. So there's no jobs right now. Like it's just in chaos, right? So I have all the time on my hands that I need. So I'm gonna decide to print some stuff, right? I got my kids' printer, a Prusa Mini, a few years back. We didn't really use it much. My kids used it a few times, and I'm like, why don't I use it, man? Like, I got all the time in the world, so I'm using it. So I will show my printer in the next short, but I want to share what I learned through my journey as I go with you, so that you learn with me. So, these are the simplest things, simplest mistakes people can make, and I think a lot of people don't talk about these things when they first start out. They make these mistakes, they don't share it. And I'm going to share it with you. So the first mistake I made was we had Prusa filament that we had bought for our kids. And I've been using the filament for myself now, right? So it works fine, it works great. But I'm like, well, I need new colors. So I'm gonna order some filament from the manufacturer called Overture, because my friend has 10 printers and he suggests getting that brand because it's a good brand for anything really when you're printing. So I did. I ordered another spool of filament and I was all happy. I put it on there, started printing, went to bed. Got up next morning, my spool was completely off its feeder. And I'm like, what the hell? So what I learned was two things. The spools are not all the same. Some spools are heavier than others, right? And if you don't feed it correctly, that's gonna be a problem, because if it's a heavy and you're feeding it into the machine incorrectly, the machine's gonna pull that thing right off that feeder. That's exactly what happened. So I was feeding it from top down, the filament coming like this. I need to feed it from bottom up, I think, because I flipped it and bottom up seems to be working just great. So anyways, that's the first lesson I learned I want to share with you. And I will try to do these shorts. Even if I find a new job as a programmer, I'm still going to do these shorts. And so stay tuned and subscribe and come back. Why am I wearing this hat? Because my hairstylist, which my wife tells me I don't need because I have no hair, she overcut my hair and I'm trying to hide that. So it makes me look really bald, and so I don't want to show that on camera. So that's why I have my hat on right now. I'll take it off a little bit later once my hair grows. So stay tuned. See you later. See you next time.